Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show Nsfw content on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile. Now click settings, and here as you see you will find show Nsfw content. Click on it like this, and this will be turned on. That's it. That's how to turn on Nsfw content on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.